Now, suspended animation or apparent death. This is a condition which simulates death. That is, the vital functions of the body are at so low ebb that they cannot be detected with routine clinical methods. The vital functions are at low level but still sufficient to maintain life, but they are imperceptible, they cannot be detected. So the apparent death or suspended animation, it can be natural or unnatural. So in suspended animation or apparent death, the vital functions of the body, they are at so low ebb that they cannot be picked up by routine clinical methods, but they are still compatible to cope with life. So person apparently looks like death, and these cannot be detected by routine clinical methods. And this state can be voluntary, as certain yogis, they can enter into a state of suspended animation, or it is involuntary, like certain conditions in cold-blooded animals like frogs, they go into hibernation, and that is a state of uh, suspended animation, and their vital functions are so low level that their heart may beat hardly for 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 times a minute. So they are at so low level that you cannot pick up the condition with routine clinical methods. So the involuntary, unnatural conditions, they can happen in electrocution, drowning, hypothermia, encephalitis, overdosage of sedatives, barbiturate poisoning, certain newborn babies, in anesthesias, and cerebral concussion, heat stroke, prolonged illness, and shock. So these are the conditions in which the person may enter into apparent death. Then the natural conditions, as I told you, the hibernation. The classical example, the cold-blooded animals, they go into hibernation, and this is the state of apparent death or suspended animation, and the routine clinical examination will not pick up. Then the advanced technology like EEG or ECG, they will electrocardiogram or electroencephalogram, it will decide, and with these you can pick up the activity of the brain and the activity of the heart. So as I told in the previous lecture too, that important for resuscitation that we should keep on cardiopulmonary resuscitation CPR for as long as half an hour, and especially in case of electric shock, barbiturate poisoning, and drowning. They are classical examples of recovery even after long time. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.